Well, hello there, and welcome back to the Bitcoin Lore channel. This is a brief introductory video of a series that we'll be doing in regards to finance. Now, finance is a large topic. Frankly, the subject of money is a large topic. Traditional finance, compared and contrasted with decentralized finance, is a large topic. If we take a moment to think about the fact that people spend a large portion of their lives working 80,000 hours, 100,000 hours plus, depending on the person, the country, and the circumstances. If someone is going to take that much time out of their lives in order to make money, it stands to reason that that person should look and get a deep understanding from a critical thinking standpoint and from a emotional intelligence standpoint of how money actually works. This can't be overemphasized enough. After all, our point of this channel is to not only bring critical thinking and emotional intelligence in terms of understanding Bitcoin, but also finance and money in general and life in general. So, because of that, we felt that it's best to begin by talking about finance and how finance works traditionally and how this innovative reality of Bitcoin changes the dynamics of how it works, and how it's a moving picture where we have a dynamically realized reality of traditional finance coexisting with digitized, decentralized finance, and how they intermingle where we are currently and how things will change moving forward. So I hope that you'll join me in this deep dive of finance in the traditional sense and in the sense of decentralized finance, and what a life lived with Bitcoin as a medium of exchange, as a storage of value, and then eventually as a unit of measurement as it becomes more and more adopted throughout the world, and the changes for the better that it'll bring. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.